Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Kris here with Keeping Up with Kris, and I'm back this week with another kind of like an unboxing of some items that I got from Balenciaga at Woodbury Commons in Central Valley, New York. So if you don't know what Woodbury Commons is, it's a very nice outlet shopping experience in upstate New York, well, kind of near upstate New York in Central Valley. So it's about 45 minutes to an hour from the city. It's not far at all. And y'all, I'm gonna try to upload a clip like around here somewhere so you can just see what it looks like. It's amazing. Me and my sister took our boys there because we actually took them to Legoland, which was also about 40 minutes from the city. So we decided they get to have their fun, and then we got to have our fun and do some shopping. So I didn't want to go too crazy, but I did get 2 items from the Balenciaga store, which I really wanted. And so I got the carrier bag at the Balenciaga store outlet. Looks like this. And you know, I just was very happy with my purchases. So the first purchase that I got was this really cute Balenciaga baseball cap, and I think the size is one size fits all. This is what the inside looks like, and then you get a super cute little dust bag to keep it nice and clean. And I've actually only worn it once. Actually, I think it was a little too tight when I wore it, so let me loosen it up. But it looks like this. It's very cute, guys. Like, I really like it. You can pull your hair back. It's just a vibe, and I felt like this one was good for my skin tone. Like, they showed me a couple of other hats and I wasn't really thrilled with them, but this one, honey, this one was calling my name. Okay, so yeah, this one actually retailed, I think because I wore this I got rid of the price tag, but it was very inexpensive. I think it retailed at about $160. I don't know if I can find the link to it since it was at the outlet, but it was around that. So it was definitely cheaper than $200. And I loved the maroon color. It was just giving fall. It was giving like this cap is for a woman, which I really appreciated. And I loved how the brim was. And it is very hard. And you just look down and you see, hey girl, I'm here. That's what it's giving. So yeah, this was the first item that I got. And mind you, I went there twice. So I saw, actually I'm sorry, this was the second item that I got. When I went there the first time, I bought something else. So let me put this back in the bag. So the second item that I got was this super cute metallic crossbody. So you can, it's definitely adjustable. Here you go. And you can make it a crossbody, you can make it an arm bag. So the only thing about this bag is, which I didn't really mind when I got it because I knew what I was getting, it's very tiny on the inside and it only has a clasp. But when you think about it, you see how thin it is and how skinny it is? Once this doesn't come off, so this strap is not detachable. So what you have to do is, if you just want to wear it as just like a mini bag, you're going to have to stuff this inside, which in turn takes up some of the little bit of space that you do have. Because let's keep it funky, if you have like a card wallet, which I do, and your phone, if you don't put the strap in, you can fit it all in there. So I probably will just wear it as a crossbody, and if I wear it like this, just know that it's strictly just my phone and card in here, because that's literally all that's gonna go. So this retailed at about, it was in between, let me see. So I still have the card for this piece, and it retailed at about $4.89, and then there was a tax, which brought it to about $5 something. But yeah, this was so cute, y'all. I loved it so much when I saw it. I was like, oh, this is me. I told y'all, I think I told y'all recently, I have been really into the miniature bags. Like, they have been calling my name. So this is the bag. And it's just, this is only for the girls. Like, it's just for us girls who want to compliment each other. It's just, it is what it is. So my sister ended up getting 2 bags. She got a crossbody and she got a metallic I forget the other bag that she got, but it was significantly bigger, so you could carry like way more stuff in it. But y'all, I loved this bag. I actually haven't worn it yet, but I know I'm gonna be wearing it really soon. And yeah, I wanted to show y'all. I don't know why, but I always feel skeptical about wearing stuff until I've showed it to y'all first. So just know I think really highly of you all, because I'm like, no, I gotta show my friends on YouTube. So I actually do need to leave it out though, because you see how the strap is kind of twisted here. I need to leave it out so that when I go to wear it, it's more straight and unraveled. Yeah. And then on the inside, you do have a place to put your cards. In here, it's like a little pocket, and then the other portion of it is just open. And I want to say, I don't know what this material is, but obviously I'll just be keeping it in the dust bag just to be on the safe side. But anyways, so the bag for this was significantly smaller because the bag was smaller. So yeah, let me put it back. And these are the two items that I got from Balenciaga. I definitely got the information of my salesperson, Andrew. Hey Andrew, if you're watching. I loved him. His presence just so welcoming that he actually made me want to buy something. So yeah, shout out to Andrew at the Balenciaga outlet at Woodbury in Central Valley. He was amazing. I highly recommend shopping with him. But those are the two items that I got. I did get some clothes, but I'm doing a separate video for that because I have some other items from some other stores that I wanted to add to it. And yeah, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.